Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show hidden files and folders on Windows XP. So if you have to get into the core Windows files and you're unable to view certain files or folders because they're hidden from view, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to change that view setting. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu and then select My Computer on the right panel. On the top, select the Tools tab and select Folder Options. Select the View tab again. Now, this time it's within the Folder Options window. And underneath Hidden Files and Folders, select Show Hidden Files and Folders and select Apply and OK. And if you want to undo that down the road, if you want to maybe make those hidden files and folders hidden again once you're done doing whatever action you're attempting to perform, and then just want to clean it all up when you're done and just restore it back to the default view, you just would select Tools again and then Folder Options, select the View tab, and then you would select Do Not Show Hidden Files and Folders, select Apply and OK, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.